Everything changed this week for investors and indeed for people with mortgages. What happened and what's the consequences? Well, Jerome Powell, the Fed chairman, was speaking to Congress and he was saying that if inflation stays as high as it is, expect interest rates to go higher than expected. Expect them also to stay higher for longer. Okay, what's the consequences of that? Well, of course, that affects the economies around the world. The dollar's gone up. Okay, expect that to stay high because interest rates seem certain to go higher than was expected. Okay, what will that do? Well, it means that you're more likely to have a recession in America, and of course that has a knock-on effect on various countries around the world. A strong dollar again actually increases inflation for other countries outside of America because commodities are priced in dollars. So it seems to be a challenging time. In just a few sentences, all of a sudden that outlook changed. Market has had a sell-off. If you're investing your money, you need to be in the right sectors. I've been talking for a long time on this channel about investing in companies where there's margin, where there's likely to be continued demand, whether there's a recession or not. So healthcare is the obvious one, but if you check my channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel that I have, I'll keep you up to date with the sort of areas that you need to be investing in. If you are having a mortgage at the moment or you're potentially buying a property, just realize interest rates have still got higher to go. And really what we're seeing is a resilient economy. So on one hand, you say, well, it's good. The economy is resilient. It is good that the economy is resilient. However, you've got wage inflation, and unless that's controlled, then there's an issue. Of course, that means that it creates unemployment. And people say, well, you know, what you're doing is you're actually causing unemployment by raising interest rates. That, of course, is correct. However, that affects a smaller percentage than inflation does. Inflation affects everybody. And it really is something that has to be controlled. Higher interest rates on the agenda. We're seeing a good, strong economy, wage inflation. Higher interest rates means invest in the right areas, get your money in the right sectors. Okay, of course, that means seeking financial advice. Okay, sit down with the advisor. They'll explain to you exactly what you need to do. But sitting on the sidelines, for me at least, isn't an option. Please like, please share the video. I'll keep you up to date with what's happening in the investment markets.